Once upon a time, in a bright and colourful garden, there lived two little friends, Milo the bunny and Daisy the duck. Every morning, they played near the pond, picked flowers, and sang happy songs together. One sunny day, Daisy was waddling slowly. She looked a little sad. Milo noticed right away. He hopped over and asked gently, "Daisy, are you okay?" Daisy sighed. "My foot hurts. I think I stepped on a sharp rock." Milo's ears drooped. "Oh no. Come, sit under the tree. I'll get help." He hopped quickly to Mrs. Owl, the wise forest nurse. Together, they brought soft leaves, warm water, and a small bandage. Milo helped Daisy drink some water, and Mrs. Owl carefully wrapped her foot. Daisy smiled for the first time all day. "Thank you, Milo. You made me feel better." Milo grinned. "That's what friends do. We take care of each other." Daisy rested under the tree, and Milo sat beside her, reading stories and telling jokes until she laughed again. The next morning, Daisy was feeling much better. And guess what? She brought a surprise: fresh berries for Milo. "Thank you for caring, Milo. You're the best friend ever." Moral of the story: when you care for others with kindness, you make the world a brighter, happier place.